Good morning. My name is Abhishek Kumar Sinha. I am a state head for Maharashtra 1 and Goa region. With me, Mr. Sandeep Soni. He is digital sales and growth head for taking care of entire business and operation of Akash. So, on the behalf of Akash, I welcome all of you. And we are here to celebrate the result of NEET 2025. It's all started in year 1988 when Akash was established with just 12 students. Right now we have more than 400 centers and more than 4 lakh students studying with us, taking help of ours to become engineers, doctors, cracking different Olympiads and for their school preparation examination. So as I have mentioned, we are here to celebrate the result of NEET 2025. So this year in NEET, approximately 22 lakhs 70,000 students registered. It's a very big number. And out of those 22 lakhs 70,000, almost 20 lakhs 10,000 students appeared. And I am glad to say that from Akash this year, 27 students scored under 100 AIR rank. Doesn't it sound amazing? And so if I have to, you can just see here. So out of 10 AIR, we have 5 students from Akash and 16 students scored all India rank under 50 and 27 under 28. So the result of medical has already been exceptional at Akash and we are still compiling. That result has been declared day before yesterday itself. And I'm very proud to say that this year the result of Mumbai has been exceptional for us and 11 students have scored under 1000 rank from Mumbai. And Maharashtra state topper Trusang is also Akashian. Goa state topper Rishabh is also Akashian. We are planning a press conference with Rishabh also day after tomorrow. And I'm glad to say that this year we have all India rank 10 and all India rank 85 to under 100 rank from Mumbai itself. And both the kids are present here. So I would like to invite Smith Kaur, who scored all India rank 85 and she is with her mom. So I will invite ma'am also to please come on stage. Smith? Come, Smith. Small token of appreciation for Smith. So next I would like to invite Arav. So Arav scored all India rank 10. Arav, please. Ma'am, please. Arav, please come. Small token of appreciation for Arav.
अरे पीछे पीछे पीछे
केक का ले ले भाई,
केक का शॉट तो ले ले वाले ने दिया
Any question? Then you're most welcome.
सर माइक ले रहे हैं आपके पास
What were some of the biggest challenges you faced while preparing students for the
एक सेकंड
Level of this examination was somehow, I will say, decreased from last 4 to 5 years when NTA was supposed to conduct the NEET examination. But this year, there was a sudden change in the toughness of the examination paper. So earlier, what we saw कि last year also almost 17 students got perfect score 720 out of 720. But this year, the topper EIR1 has 686 marks. So the toughness of the paper has increased suddenly. But again, it's as per the syllabus of CBSE, as per the guidance of NTA only. So now student has to deep dive on subjects, whether it is physics or chemistry or biology. So earlier what happens, only NCERT or the reading of NCERT was sufficient to score a good rank. But now student has to deep dive every topic, every chapter and every concept given in the NCERT to further enhance his results.
What message would you like to give to the students in future who will be active in future?
See, the message to all is a very simple, is consistency. And now what actually happens when there is a sudden mood change which we used to see now among the students, कि आज पढ़ लिया, कल नहीं हुआ. So consistency is a very much required, dedication, hard work. As I have already mentioned, 22 lakhs of students appeared for this examination and we have government medical seats approximately 55,000. So you can just check the level of difficulties for this examination. So if they have to be in top 55,000 or if I will have to include the private college also, then the number goes to lakhs. So if they have to be in top lakhs student or top 55,000, they have to work very hard with all their honest efforts. अच्छे से मेहनत करना होगा, डिफरेंट तरह की टेस्ट सीरीज को उनको डिफरेंट तरह की टेस्ट का उनको एक्सपोजर चाहिए होगा, अच्छे पैकेज के थ्रू उनको स्टडी करनी पड़ेगी, अच्छे बुक्स, अच्छे राइटर्स एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैकल्टीज. मेंटर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट हमेशा होती है क्योंकि अब जैसे जैसे पेपर टफ हो रहा है, द रोल ऑफ मेंटर्स विल बी वेरी क्रूशियल व्हाइल प्रिपेयरिंग द एग्जाम.
My question to the students also, what challenges did you face while preparing for the exam and how did you overcome it?
So the biggest challenge I think everyone faces is discipline and consistency, that waking up every day knowing that you have to do the same thing and you have to continue that for 2 years. So my go-to was, I never had a strict schedule for myself, but I had goals for myself, that I have to do certain things every day and I have to finish whatever I've decided, no matter how long it takes. So I can begin at 8 in the morning or I can begin at 12, but I need to finish that at night, and that is what allowed me to stay focused throughout these 2 years.
According to me, biggest challenge a student would face is sudden decrease in test marks. Like you are consistently scoring very good 680, 690, but suddenly you start getting 3 to 4 tests you score 630, 620. So according to me, the key is not to give up. You should continue to work hard, and ultimately your score will improve. And in the full syllabus mock test also, initially you won't score so well. So we should one like for me also in the first two mock tests full syllabus I gave, I didn't score 700. I think I scored 670, 680 in the two. But I believe that yes, more the times I will do the revision, it will be better. So if,
How did you handle stress and pressure during preparation?
Stress during preparation I used to handle by taking small break between the studies. Like whenever I used to get stressed or frustrated, I studied for too long, take 1 hour break, unwind, and then get back to the table. Do what you are not able to do. If you are not getting it clear, ask your teacher. Do not stress over one single problem. Why am I not getting it?
कुछ अपने फैमिली के बारे में बताना चाहेंगे, आपके फादर क्या करते हैं?
My father works in BARC Mumbai.
Sir, can you throw some light on the prizes you provide to the students, the rank holders, and what kind of motivation also you give to your students?
So the efforts and hard work what they have put can't be judged or by any what you have said. It's just a token of appreciation from our side to recognize their hard work. So for 1 to 5 rank, we gave rupees 10 lakhs. For 5 to 10, it's rupees 5 lakhs, and that's why this amount has been distributed among top 100. And we have different provision for state toppers also. So it's all their hard works which we want to recognize by this, nothing else.
सर कितने लोगों ने एग्जाम दिया था?
22,75,000 students got registered. Out of those, 22,10,000 students have appeared. 22 लाख बच्चे ने appear किया था इस एग्जामिनेशन में सर.
Sir, Akash Institute is quite a famous name, and like students' parents are more secured about it. So you have any other innovation plans, foreign something like out of India?
So right now we are thinking to open our branch outside India, but that is a management decision, and if such things happens, then we will certainly invite you again and will inform you all those things.
And the students which get here go in your education, so what will be the benefits for them to do the foreign studies or jobs?
So as you know, we are mainly in medicine and engineering preparation, and our focus is to get enrolled to our students in different various medical colleges or different engineering colleges or different Olympiad examination. So right now I'm not in position to say anything about our foreign consignment or foreign assignment, but these are under pipeline, and we will certainly let you know if anything happens.
You give scholarship also, sir. So like any other more benefits we are trying besides that also?
So that's actually a very good idea, ma'am. I will certainly take it forward to my management, what you have just mentioned, the scholarship.
आरव आपसे एक सवाल है कि जो स्टूडेंट नीट की तैयारी करते हैं और वो कुछ मार्क्स की वजह से सक्सेस नहीं हो पाते, तो उनके लिए क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
मेरे हिसाब से इफ़ यू बिलीव कि आपने 2 साल जो इनिशियल 11th-12th में पूरा मेहनत किया है और ड्यू टू इस साल की अनएक्सपेक्टेड पेपर हो गया, उस वजह से पैनिक करके मे बी आपका थोड़ा मार्क्स रह गया, सो इफ़ यू बिलीव कि हाँ 1 साल आप और वो मेंटली स्ट्रॉन्ग रह के वो प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो, देन डेफिनेटली वो करना चाहिए, बिकॉज नेक्स्ट ईयर यू विल बी बेटर प्रिपेयर्ड, मे बी यू कैन गेट अ गुड सीट.
And what is the success rate of the students who had appeared in the NEET exam?
So, well, as I have already mentioned, out of 22 lakhs, we have approximately 55,000 government seats only for MBBS. So, 22 लाख बच्चों में से सिर्फ 57,000 बच्चों को MBBS मिलेगा. It's one of the toughest examination now. I think we are good to go. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
चलो